Hi guys, this is Mayank, and today we are going to have a quick demo about how you can add your own custom domains in Inertia Pros. You can see I have already logged into my console in order to add your custom redirects. So if you go to the redirects tab, you can see that right now only Inertia Pros redirects are visible in both the variable and parameter based. What if you wanted to use your own custom domain like surveys something yourdomain.com? So today we are going to see it live in action, how you can do it within 1 minute. So in order to do it, you need to go to the settings tab over here. So you need to go to your domain tab over here in settings. You can see right now you are having only one domain, which is by default our root domain for accessing your Inertia Pros platform. You can see that you can add two domains allowed at a particular time. So in order to add your own custom domain, you need to click on add domain. Let's set a particular domain. I can name it example dot mirats dot cloud. So let's suppose I'm going to give this particular domain as my business domain, and I need to select the environment as production and hit save. So once you hit save, you can see that there is invalid configuration and SSL is not verified right now. Reason is very simple, because you need to add a CNAME record in your domain registrar. You might be using GoDaddy, HostGator, Hostinger, or even Cloudflare. You can go to those domain registrars and add these CNAME records. In order to add these CNAME records, right now I'm using Cloudflare. So I'll show you, you need to create a CNAME record over here. So in the add record segment, in the DNS record, you can see that CNAME record is over here. For name, you need to type your example, whatever the name is given over here. And as a value, you need to copy this and you need to paste this. You need to just make sure, specifically when you are working with Cloudflare, that the proxy status should be off, so that it will get only DNS only queries, and hit save. Once you hit save, you can see that it automatically added this as invalid configuration, and if you wait for some time, it will also show you your SSL verification certificate as well. So let's wait for some time. It will usually take from around 1 to 2 minutes in order to propagate your SSL verification, and that is the time you require just to add your domain in your Inertia Pros workspace. So let's just wait for some time. Okay, now you can see that the SSL has been verified. It took around 45 seconds, but yeah, it happened pretty much quickly. So let's go to and this particular new domain and see how it works. You can see I'm getting my example.mirats.cloud up and running, and you can see that I'm getting all my sales order, all my invoices, and all my clients and everything right over here. So if you go to the redirect segment, you can see your newly redirects has been already set up, and you can share it with your counterparts. Thank you very much.